This VW Beetle has been sitting here for over 10 years. And yet, I just bought it. And now I have a massive first ever rebuild on the Fuel Life channel. And there's one, well, many problems, but the biggest is we can't even move it. It turns out when you leave a car sitting for this long, one of the many issues is the fact that the handbrake will seize, leaving this car stranded. So now we need to see if we can even move this thing before rebuilding it. Ready? 3, 2. Or did I just waste a lot of my money buying it? And there's one more question we need to answer in this video. What are my plans on the build of this Beetle? So here is my plan for the rebuild. We start off with the 1973 Beetle, and first off we need to get her running and driving back to how she left the factory. Then we need to modify, potentially a new exhaust, lowering springs, and definitely some new mags. That exterior needs serious work, starting off with the rust and then a complete respray. The interior might as well be thrown in the trash and we replace it with a fresh and updated look. And lastly, extras, things like a epic sound system, interior lighting, and accessories. But before we can even dream about this transformation, we need to get this car out of the yard. So let's jump into hammering that brake to get this thing unstuck and on the tow truck.
Not sure if this is going to work, but we got to try.
While working on getting the Beetle unstuck, this happened to the tow truck. Leaving the driveway damaged, but over at the Beetle we had made huge progress. Should I push from the front?
Yeah, let's do that, bro. It's going to move.
But then how, we can't stop it.
What?
She's moving.
She's moving, everybody.
After 45 minutes of hard work. Jade did nothing. Jade did nothing, and he's claiming credit here like it's his rebuild. I'm gonna just start filming you so we can.
You're wasting time.
Jade is. No, I'm joking. Hey, check your brakes. Check your brakes. Yeah, sorted. Okay.
Onto the deck.
Come, Jade. Can it actually look like you're doing something?
Got her moving. Now it's time to get her on the truck. The last bit. Hopefully nothing goes wrong.
Yeah, I think it's gonna scratch the front.
Just cool. And she is on, ready to go. But of course, there were more issues.
First problem, that door is gonna fall off.
I hope not.
Jade, that door is absolutely gonna fall off.
That thing is not healthy.
That door is fully gonna fall off. Fully gonna fall off.
So we needed to pull over before the door ended up on the side of the road. But before we knew it, we were back on the road. And of course, because the tow truck could not go down the steep driveway, we had to park across the road, and I had to somehow climb in this Beetle with little to no brakes and navigate across the road into the house.
Yeah.
With the door that still won't shut.
Brake. Straighten or fine? Just hold the front in case. What? I'm getting. I'm gonna go flat into the. Ready? Perfect! Come on! And she is finally safely here. But this is only the beginning. There is so much that I plan to do with this beautiful Beetle. So first off, what makes the Beetle so special? Over 21 million Beetles were sold. The Beetle holds the record for the longest production of any car in history, spanning 65 years of them making this incredible little car. But what about this one? This is a 1973 Volkswagen Beetle. The 1973 Beetle can be known as the last classic. Enthusiasts call it that because it's the last year before VW made big changes in 1974. This car specifically has got the 1600cc engine. Good enough power, if we can call it that, simple and charming. But we've got to get that little engine running, and to date, we haven't even heard it start. So let's hope for the best as the journey begins. So you've heard the plan, but I also want to hear it from you guys. What do you want to see me do specifically with this build? And I look forward to the first epic build on the Fueled Life channel.